So what is the difference between a logical versus physical address space? So what is logical and physical address space? Please understand it very carefully. You have a CPU and you have a memory. So what CPU generates or what CPU use is the logical address, which is the address which is not actually the memory address, but the memory or the memory unit sees some address, and what is that address? It is the physical address, which is actually going to be placed in the memory address register for actual addressing. These are the actual address. So the compile time and load time address binding methods, they generate identical logical and physical both, which is generated by CPU and generated by the physical address. So the execution time address binding scheme result in differ. The result is differ. That means different logical and physical address. So the logical address space, these are set of all logical address generated by a program, or you can say generated or seen by CPU. While the physical address space is actually, these are the set of physical addresses, which are corresponding to these logical address. So all logical address will have a corresponding physical address. Who is going to correspond? Who is going to bind them? The memory management unit does that. So this is a hardware device that does the runtime mapping from your virtual or logical address to the physical address, because physical address is the actual address. What this MMU does, this is a memory management unit. So hardware device that maps virtual to physical address is the memory management unit. So what it has, I'll show you with the diagram. This MMU scheme is simply the value of the relocation, that is the base register, is added to every address generated by the user process. So see, if a logical address of a user process is 346, so you have a relocation register, that is the base address register. This is added, so 14000 will be added with 346, and now this 14346 will be the actual physical address, and this will be actually be in the memory. I hope you got the idea. The user program only deals with the logical address, and it will never see this address, this kind of address. It will never see this address, right?